Creating an engaging event page to maximize ticket sales is a challenge that many organizers face. You've put countless hours and hard work into creating a memorable event, but your event page lacks the persuasive techniques to convert those visitors into eager ticket buyers. Hi, I'm Terry from TicketSource, and TicketSource is a free and easy to use online ticket sales system that facilitated the sale of over 100 million tickets over the years. So taking all those years of experience, today we're going to walk you through our foolproof event page blueprint to maximize your ticket sales. So without further ado, let's dive in. Step 1, the headline. Okay, so let's talk about how to create a truly attention-grabbing headline that gets people hooked. The key is to make it truly intriguing and captivating so they can't resist reading more. So how do we do that? First, your headline needs to connect with your ideal customer. You want them to think, oh wow, this event is exactly what I'm looking for. It should speak directly to their needs and desires. Next, you want to set yourself apart from the competition. Show why your event is unique and stands out from the rest. This gives people a compelling reason to choose your event over everybody else. And lastly, focus on the benefits, not the features. Explain how your event will positively impact their lives. Let them envision the value that they'll receive and the difference it will make. Here are some examples. So for a classical musical festival, you could say, Sonic euphoria awaits. Experience a symphony of sounds at the Unmissable Music Fest. For a health and fitness expo, you could say, revitalize your lifestyle. Join the fitness revolution. Health, wellness, and inspiration unleashed. For a sports event, you could say, witness unforgettable moments in the Clash of the Titans Championship Showdown. Or for a theatre production, you could say, immerse yourself in timeless tales, unveiling our spectacular Broadway extravaganza. Number 2, the lead. Now let's amp up the excitement for your potential attendees. Get ready to captivate them with a scenario, a compelling story, or a few thought-provoking questions. But keep the focus on the incredible impact that your event will have on their lives. Paint a vivid picture of how their lives could be impacted or transformed by attending your event. For a scenario-driven lead, you could use something like this for, say, a leadership summit. Imagine stepping into a room pulsating with energy from the visionary leaders, each sharing their secrets to success. Envisage yourself at the forefront of innovation, surrounded by a community of like-minded individuals hungry for growth. Join us at the Leadership Mastery Summit and unlock the possibilities that await. You could try leading with a compelling story, like this example for a music festival. Picture this, a starlit night, the beat of the music echoing through the air and a sea of ecstatic fans dancing under the open sky. Now imagine being part of this euphoric celebration where every note creates memories that last a lifetime. This isn't just a music festival, it's a journey of melodies and moments. Be part of the magic at Soundscape Festival and let the rhythm of life ignite your soul. Or you could try thought-provoking questions to create the scenario, like this example for a tech conference. What if the key to unlocking your professional breakthrough lies in the knowledge you'll gain in just 2 days? Have you ever wondered how the latest tech trends can catapult your business ahead of the competition? Stop wondering and start envisioning your success. Join us at the Future Tech Summit and be at the forefront of tomorrow's advancements. Number 3, the story. Want to captivate your audience? Share a story that will leave them wanting more. Stories have the power to create strong connections with buyers, making them more likely to engage with your event. Whether it's by unveiling that behind-the-scenes story, or the fascinating journey of the founders, or the inspirational story behind the headline act, the chosen production, or the exhibition, storytelling is a key persuasive technique to connect with the buyer. An example of a story about the event is, in a small town, passion brewed in the hearts of a group of dreamers. They envisioned an event that transcended the ordinary, a gathering that sparked inspiration and joy. Fueled by this vision, they worked tirelessly, overcoming challenges and setbacks. As the curtains rise on the event, you're not just attending, you're witnessing the culmination of a collective dream. Join us on this journey where every laugh, every note, and every moment is a testament to the power of dreams realized. An example of a founder's story could be something like this. Meet Sarah, the visionary behind the event. Her journey began with a simple idea and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From late-night brainstorming sessions to navigating the complexities of event planning, Sarah poured her heart into every detail. This event is not just an occasion, it's a manifestation of Sarah's dedication, resilience, and unwavering belief that extraordinary experiences have the power to change lives. And a story about, say, your chosen production could be something like this. Behind the scenes of our chosen production lies the tale of artistic brilliance. The creators drew inspiration from the world around them, weaving a narrative that transcends boundaries. The actors, like magicians, breathe life into the characters, transforming words on a page into a mesmerizing spectacle. This production isn't just a performance, it's a journey into the imagination of master storytellers. Step into the realm they've crafted, where every scene is a brushstroke painting the canvas of an unforgettable experience. Number 4, the pitch. Now it's time to introduce your event. Explain what it is and what they're going to get or experience. But don't just list, convey the benefits of every single feature. Explain what they're going to learn or discover from every single speaker or exhibitor. Do you have any award-winning performers or speakers at your event? Do you have food and drink to keep your attendees fed and refreshed? Do you have free parking at the event to make access quick, easy and affordable? Do you have any competitions or raffles or games going on at the event too? List every feature that is going to be at your event and then the impact that that feature will have on their experience. Step 5, the evidence. Show proof that your event is going to deliver the amazing benefits that you've detailed. Display awesome testimonials, pictures, videos, 5-star ratings, anything that proves what you're saying is true about the event. Step 6, time to close the deal. Finally, outline the prices of each ticket type. But in order to seal the deal, you've got to give them every reason to act now. You can achieve this with offers and discounts like early bird access or bundle packages or VIP packages. Don't forget, the key to creating an effective offer is by creating urgency. You can achieve this by a time limitation or a stock limitation. Act quick, this sale ends in 7 days time. Or buy now before tickets run out, only 100 available. Adding a cracking offer with a sense of urgency will sure see those tickets fly off the shelves. And that's it, our ultimate blueprint for an effective event page to maximize your ticket sales. If you'd like to watch our video on how to create the ultimate event poster to drive ticket sales, then click here for the next video. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel and get notifications of every new video release, you can click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching.